low tide really means low tide here. What do you think about that?
Yeah, 1'6".
1'6", coming out of the Richmond Harbor.
Putting in that work.
People wanna ride with me when I'm headed to the hole, cause everybody knows that I get them rods rolled. Wanna ride with me when I'm headed to the hole, cause everybody knows that I get them rods rolled. Wanna ride with me when I'm headed to the hole, cause everybody knows that I get them rods rolled. Wanna ride with me when I'm headed to the hole, cause everybody knows. I've been catching fish ever since I was a youngster. Hit the hole, catch a truckload like dumpsters. Getting dumped, but I ain't getting punked, no sir. Reel's hot like a toaster, but it's kosher, cause I threw it in the low first. I got 2 gears, caught in 1 day what it took you to catch in 2 years. Popping like it's New Year's, blowing up some yellowfin. Kicking it with fish so much that you would think I'm celibate. Keep my rock hella bent, chumming and you smelling it. Fighting fish so big it's like I'm hooked up on an elephant. Ain't nobody selling me the fish I eat at my house. You will never catch me at the market trying to buy trout. I will put my lines out where you want them, right or left. Fishing with so many rods they spread out like a spider web. I don't need the lights of views, don't need your approval, dude. I don't need a lot of shoes to be featured on the news. I am Machiavelli, grab a mackerel by the belly. Why this mackerel soft and smelly? That's the mackerel that they selling at the bait shop. So you should waste not and keep on driving. Look for the birds and creep up on them diving. Break the cast net out and throw pancakes. Using live bait seals the deal like a handshake. Do it for the fans' sake, can't hate. You ain't gotta tell me, man. I know I am great at fishing and rapping and being a father. All-star son and an honor roll daughter. Out here going harder than freshly poured concrete. Using trim so much that you would think I live on Pond Street. I ain't gotta be raunchy, rap stay clean. Ain't gonna be no makeup, I am not Maybelline. Tell the truth in the booth, I ain't gotta lie about it. You don't like me, you can comment and cry about it.